The extended drop arm gives you a smaller turning circle and more response from input on the steering wheel. You only need one for the side that the steering rack is on. This is a much cheaper solution than an expensive steering box replacement. It's identical to the genuine Land Rover item, but 20mm longer, giving a reduction in turns lock to lock for quicker steering. It's a one-piece forging made in England using high-grade chromolybdenum using high-grade materials, supplied fully machined, painted and ready to accept the ball joint RBG 000010. The steering drop arm is the integral ball joint type, suitable for all Adwest power steering boxes, but not the Gemma steering boxes. It's available in left and right-hand drive variants. It may need some modification for fitment, and it's not recommended to fit this longer arm to vehicles with large tyres, increased wheel offset, or for off-road speed events due to the increased shock load that can be caused on the steering. It's ideal for trial vehicles and road use only. Find out more at simonbbc.com.